Example 3. Determine square root of 0.017424 using factorization method. So similar to the previous steps, the first thing that we want to do is to write this number into a fraction of integer numbers. So in this case, it is 17,424 over 1 million. Is it right? Let me just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is correct. So that is 6 zeros for the denominator. So that means if you want to find out square root of 0.017424, then we need to find out a square root of that fraction number, which is 17,424 over 1 million. Okay, this is in turn equal to square root of 17,424 over square root of 1 million. I'm sure you can find out the value of square root of 1 million because that is equal to 1000. But what about finding the value of square root of 17,474? This number is very big. I'm not very sure whether or not any of us remember or able to memorize square root of this number. This is such a big number. So the way to do this is either through trial and error, or we can also try to do some division method. Try to divide this number with prime numbers and see whether or not we can come to some answers. But try and error could be taking a bit long. And I suggest that we do division method. Divide this number by prime numbers. And let's do that. I'm going to use this space over here. The first thing I want to do is to divide this by 2. So 17,424. Divide that by 2. So this is equal to 8. 8, that makes 16. So 1, 4, divide that by 2 again, becomes 7. So that is gone. So put down 2 here, that is equal to 1. So remainder is 0. And 4, that is equal to 2. So the answer is 17,424 divided by 2 is 8,712. We can still divide this number by 2 again because it's an even number. So let's do that again. 8712 divided by 2. So 4 here, that is 8. I can just do this straight away. So this one, 3. So that I have 6 here. So remainder 1. I put this 1 over here. So next digit, next digit for the quotient is going to be 5. That will give us 10 here with remainder 1. So I'm going to put here 12. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay, that's how far we have got so far. Let me just summarize that to become, let me just rub this one off. Okay, this is also time consuming, as you can see. 4,356 times 2 squared, yeah, because we have divided 17,424 by 2 twice. So that is basically 2 squared. So this is equal to 17,424. We still have this number for us to resolve, and it's still even number. So let me just delete this one. I'm gonna divide that number with 2 again, yeah. See whether or not I can get somewhere with that. So 4,356 divided by 2. Quotient, the first one is going to be 2, 1. So that is 42. Remainder 1 on 5. That is going to be 7. That will give us 14. And 1, 6 is going to be 8. Yes. So that is 2178. And 2178 can be divided by 2 again. So 2178 divided by 2. So this is going to give us 10. So that's 20 with remainder 1, 7, 8 there. So that is 16, remainder 1, 8, So 9 here. Okay. That means I'm going to update this. We have got so far. Okay, from there, that is going to be 1089 times 2 squared times 2 squared. Or I can also put this as 4 squared, yeah? So that is equal to 17,424. I'm going to try to divide this new quotient now with 3. 1089. I want to see whether or not this will give me anywhere. Okay, that is going to be 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. It gives me a remainder 1. So put 18 here. So 3 times 6, that is equal to 18. Let's just do 9 here right away. So that is going to be times 3. Okay, so that is with 189 here with remainder 0. So so this new quotient 363 divided by 3. So this is going to be easy one. That is going to be 121. So we have got somewhere. So this is going to be 121 times 4 squared times 3 squared. So this is 17,424. So now we've got 121. Can you guess what 121 is? Yes, 121 is equal to 11 squared. So finally, we can conclude that 11 squared times 4 squared times 3 squared, that is equal to 17,424. So that is going to be 11 times 4 times 3 squared. That is equal to 17,424. So 11 times 4 is 44. 44 times 3 is equal to what? 44 times 3, that is 12, 12, 13. So that is 132. So that is 132 squared. That is equal to 70,424. Okay, let's get back to this. So which means that this is equal to 132 over 1000. So the answer to this example, which is the square root of 0.017424, is equal to 0.132. So this is the answer. As you can see, example 3 is a little bit more complicated. In example 2, we have used a try and error to find out the square root of 625. But now, with a very large number of 17,424, we can still use try and error, but that will be really time consuming because we're going to need to try one by one. So we have chosen to do division by prime numbers. And we have got somewhere, we have got the answer of 132. And let's see the next example. The next example is going to be a little bit more difficult than this. And after that, we will realize that we need to have a new method to do square root. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.